ugh, I'm in the middle of a duel playing Minecraft and I don't have a snack. But if I go downstairs, I'll die in the duel. Let's make an invention to do this. This is my invention, the snack dumper. It will dump snacks down this ramp accurately. We've tested it. And now I can play video games with snacks. And even if I run out of snacks in this, I can choose my snack. This is how it works. So I can load up the candy before my screen. So I'll just put, these will have berry bots, every flavor beans, Harry Potter thing. They actually, some of them taste super gross. And then when I pull this, the spring will go down and back up. So when I'm playing, I'll be playing, and then I can just, and continue on playing. Okay, so for here, I'm just playing Minecraft PvP. But then, I want a quick snack. I'm still running now. I can bring my shield up. I can finish up the bound. And I got my snack. And let's say I'm playing Minecraft and I want a different snack. Oh, just got some nuts there. I can eat them. Now I want a different one. I have berry box, every flavor beans. Now, some of these are gross. And that's the snack dumper. It dumps snacks. Now, let me try Mark Rober style.